Positive character trait, respect. Our helpers today will be Sierra and Bobby. Hello, Gray Squirrel. Thank you for placing the character trait respect on the character tree for me today.
You're welcome, Miss Sarah. Respect is a very important character trait. We should always respect our teachers and parents, and we should also respect each other. Everyone deserves to be treated with respect, even squirrels.
That's true, Gray Squirrel. We can show respect to others by how we treat them and by how we speak to them. Even if you disagree or have differences with someone, you should still respect them. An important part of showing respect is to treat people kindly and to be polite. It is using whole body listening to pay attention to other opinions and ideas. You can show respect to adults by using good manners. You can respect animals by being gentle with them, and you can respect nature by cleaning up after yourself when you're outside. Hello, Bobby. Hello, Sierra. Can you think of some examples of respect? You first, Bobby.
Ooh, it's this, Miss Sarah. Raising my hands instead of calling out my answers is how I respect you and my classmates. And talking in a indoor voice. Oops. Sometimes I just get so excited that I use my outdoor voice. But, Sierra's showing respect too. She's waiting her turn to talk. That means she's respecting me by listening to me and not interrupting me while I'm talking.
Thank you, Bobby. Raising your hand and thinking about your voice level are both great ways to show respect to your teacher and to your classmates. Go ahead, Sierra.
Thank you, Miss Sarah. I try to show respect for my twin, Jordan, a lot. Sometimes we disagree with each other, but our dad tells us that we still have to respect one another. So last time, when Jordan said cookies were the best dessert, I respected his opinion, even though I'm pretty sure that ice cream is the best dessert.
You're right, Sierra. Respecting each other's differences is important. Even if you don't agree with each other, you should still treat each other with respect. We all think differently, and that's one of the things that makes us special. There are many different kinds of respect. There's the respect that you have for adults, the respect that you have for your classmates and for other kids. There is also the respect that you have for animals and for nature. You can respect people by treating them kindly, no matter what differences you have. You can show respect for animals by being nice to them. Animals communicate differently than we do, so you need to be extra careful by watching their body language to make sure that you're not hurting them or bothering them. You can also show respect for nature and your environment. This means keeping the classroom clean, sorting your trash and recycling, and taking care of the plant life around you. Now that we know a bit more about respect, let's learn about what respect looks like, sounds like, and feels like. Respect looks like two people getting along. Respect also looks like a kid doing their chores or having good classroom citizenship. Respect can be someone keeping the classroom clean, raising their hand, and waiting their turn, or sharing their toys. Respect sounds like using your manners and saying things like please, thank you, and you're welcome. Respect sounds like asking permission and saying things like, may I have a hug? Can I pet your dog? And, is it okay if I sit here? Respect can be a quiet sound too. It can be the sound of listening. It feels like when you are proud of yourself for being kind. Respect makes your heart feel good, like when someone gives you a compliment. There are many ways that respect can look, sound, and feel. One important way to show respect is by listening to other people's ideas and thoughts. And we can do that now by listening to the Caricature Band. I think they're in the forest today. Let's get their attention. Hello, Brown Cow. Our friends are learning about respect today. Do you have a song about respect for us?
We do, Miss Sarah. Would you like to hear it?
I sure would.
I show respect to you. You show respect to me.
Great job, Brown Cow. That was a great song. Thank you for playing it for us. Friends, let's try singing it together. Your teacher can help you sing along.
I show respect to you. You show respect to me. When we all show respect, anything can be achieved. Respect your family. Respect animals too. Always be kind to everyone and everything that's around you. Always respect your friends, also your teachers too. We can all show respect. It's really easy to do.
Now let's look at some examples of respect in the classroom. Delaney is looking for books in the library. In order to respect the librarian and the other people in the library, Delaney is following the library rules and staying extra quiet. Liam and Abby disagree about which way is the right way to tie their shoes. But they respect each other, so they agree that there can be more than one way to do something. Quinn is walking past other classrooms without talking, and she is using a calm body. By walking quietly, she is showing respect to teachers and other students by not distracting them while they learn. Bobby and Sierra, that's our lesson for today. Are you ready for a classroom activity about respect?
Yes, Miss Sarah.
Let's use some teamwork to fill in a chart about what respect looks, sounds, and feels like to you. Bobby, can you tell me what respect looks like to you?
Oh, it looks like kids at recess waiting for their turn with calm bodies to go down the slide.
Great. Can you draw what that looks like on our chart?
You bet.
Sierra, what does respect sound like to you?
It sounds like kids saying thank you to the school custodian for keeping the school clean and tidy.
Saying thank you is a great way to show respect to someone. You two are off to a great start on your chart. I can't wait to see it.
Thanks, Miss Sarah. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye, Miss Sarah.
Bye-bye.
Miss Sarah, respect feels like being calm and not worried around kids, especially when they are treating me and other animals kindly.
Exactly, Gray Squirrel. You should draw that on Sierra's and Bobby's chart. You can show respect in many ways, which is why it's such an important character trait. You can show respect to the adults in your life, to your classmates, to your environment, to nature, and respect to animals. Remember to appreciate and respect the things around you as your own character tree grows, and always fill your days with learning and wonder.